On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram direct messages or DMs. So if you wanna fix any problem that you have, this video or this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing you wanna do, guys, is open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager like this. Now you have to search for Instagram and click on it. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. This is the app informations. So first thing you want to do here is click on this force stop option and then go to the notifications and disable them and enable them again, and make sure that every notification is enabled, especially the Instagram direct notification. After that, go back, click on the permissions. Now right here you should make sure again that every permission is enabled. Go back now, the most important step, click on data usage and make sure that all those options again are enabled. Now all what you want to do is go to the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if the problem still didn't solve for you, this means that you have a problem in the network.